It is 4th of July! Time for some chicken fried, cold beer on a Friday night, and fireworks. Yeah! Let's talk about your dive conditions today, shall we? You have 60 to 70 foot of visibility, a moderate north current, 80 degrees of water temperature, flat calm seas. Let's check it out.
Well, I was raised up beneath the shade of a Georgia pine, and that's home, you know, sweet tea, pecan pie.
Now, if you are in the Palm Beaches, you probably realize that there was a pretty heavy rainstorm this morning, but I got good news. That's cleared out. It looks like clear skies all rest of the day, which means fireworks should be awesome. That's right. Hope everybody has a great, safe, and wonderful Independence Day. Have a safe weekend. And if you want to come play, you know all you have to do is go to JupiterScubaDiving.com, book your spot, and party it up. Get some air guitar going, a little bit of a head weave, and maybe even karaoke. Funny how it's the little things in life. Oh, I'm done. I'm sorry. I apologize. I shouldn't have done that. Oh well. I am Captain Cole. This has been a Jupiter Scuba Diving Report. Have a great day, everybody.